Jabbed.
Oh, right in the nut. Might have seen his grip.
Oh, you dick. Oh.
This is my bike check. To start off with, I've got ODI grips, extra long, ODI barons, black. I've got PSD radius and turtles, great bars. I've got CLBMX in polished stem. I've got some shitty Mafia forks that lasted like 2 years, so still going strong because he decided to snap a maniac forks. I've got a United headset with a red spacer. Starting with the front wheel. We've got an Odyssey rim, hazard light, on a Prima hub. Laced with double butted spokes for the shape because I've hardly got any. We've also got some BSD Donner squeaks in 2.4s, front and back. And then some salt pegs, I think. Good pegs. For frame, I've got a chrome Total Hangover H1 in 20-inch. Best frame I've ever had. I've got some Sunday cranks. Sunday sprocket 28 tooth. For the bottom bracket, I've got an Amber Bikes bottom bracket in purple. Shitty 10-pound chain that's lasted me like 2 years and not snapped once, touch wood. Salt peg on the back, honestly twisted pedals. I've got a Prima hub guard on back, driver side, in plastic, back wheel, Prima mix, on a Prima rim. I'm not too sure which one it is. We've got double butted spokes, lasting quite well.
Front one's not too much.
Right.
Front one's not too much. But,
yeah, front one's not too much because retard built it.
I didn't build it.
Also we've got 2.4s on the back, which I need some new ones, but they've lasted like more than over a year in black and grey. So we've also got a United pivotal fat seat.
Seat post.
Fuck knows what seat post that is, it's a short one.
What PSI do you run?
What?
What PSI do you run? Just
Normally I run 80, but I think these are like on 40 because I haven't rode my bike in like months. Dice caps are just some grenades in purple. But yeah, that's my bike check. Thank you for watching.